The Huffy Malmö Luxe 4-in-1 Canopy Trike, with its silver steel frame and red canopy, offers a stylish and versatile design that can be used as both a push and pedal trike, suitable for children aged 1.5 to 3 years old. With the parent handlebar, you can easily steer the front wheel and push your child around, while the nylon canopy with a headrest ensures comfort and shade for your little one. The Huffy Malmö Luxe features a small storage bin and an included cup holder that attaches to the handlebar, as well as a folding footrest for use when in push trike configuration. When your child is ready, the parent handlebar and canopy are removable, allowing the trike to transform into a regular pedal trike. This trike also includes a smart device holder that attaches to the child's handlebar and a cup holder on the handlebar stem that can hold up to 40 ounces. Assembling the trike is a breeze, with no tools required, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes.